The match topic of Delhi Capitals vs Chennai Super Kings IPL 2021 Dream 11 match information. And coming to the qualifier ones, date is 10th October, time 7:30 pm at Indian Standard Time. Venue is Dubai International Cricket Ground. Coming to head-to-head records, DC won 10 and CSK won 15. Coming to the majority of the wins, CSK having a upper hand for winning more chances. Coming to DC playing 11, average against CSK head-to-head. Shekhar Dhawan, left-hand opening batsman, having a positive average with CSK, and he loves to play in this format and having a good average with CSK team. Coming to Prithvi Shaw, 30 plus average and a safe pick, but he struggled against Deepak Chahar. Coming to Suresh Iyer, having a 26 average. Coming to Rishabh Pant, positive average, a good pick in the team, having a good average with CSK. Today, Stoneys will come and handle the middle order batting lineup for DC to get the batting lineup strong and to use the bowler and also ball 1+ over and battle middle order batting. Must have captain in your Grand League if he plays today. Okay, coming to Hitmer, having a 17 average. Akshay Patel, spinner, a safe pick, a wicket taking bowler recently we seen because the pitch conditions are slightly moderate. Coming to Ravichandran Ashwin, 8 wickets from 7 matches and a decent pick. Rabada, wicket taking bowler. Past 2 matches not have much effective because of huge bounces and extras giving more. Okay, can be a risky pick today. Nortridge must have. Nokia, he is generating good speed and changing the ball with his overhands and pace attack. Must have in a team and must try captaining on one of your Grand League. Hafiz Khan, wicket taking bowler, and is playing with his right hands with his good line and length. A safe pick in the team. Okay, these are the DC playing 11 and average against CSK. And coming to CSK playing 11, these are the average against DC head-to-heads. We can see Ruturaj Gaikwad must have in your team. That hot form right-hand batsman open the bat with Faf du Plessis, having a 15 plus average. Okay, coming to Faf du Plessis, 30 average, and he will open the bat with Ruturaj Gaikwad and a safe pick in your team and must have some captain. Okay, Moeen Ali, he's a must today because he will ball also because the mainly lefties having DC having more left-hand batsmen. Then CSK team will bring up with a bowler who balls off spin. Moeen Ali is must and he will bat at one down. Okay, coming to Suresh Raina, he will be key role today for CSK team and he has scored many runs in this format only because he mainly plays at quarterfinals and qualifiers and finals, semi-finals. That's the main reason that I am saying that Suresh Raina is must have pick today. Okay, having a 28 average, and he will hit the ball very hard, and he loves to play in this format also. Okay, coming to Ambat Raidu, having 31 average and a safe pick if top order fail, he will be most effective batsman today. Try in few Grand Leagues. MS Dhoni 12 average and recently struggling to bat, but okay, safe pick in Grand League and risky pick in small leagues. Okay, Ravindra Jadeja, Sir Jadeja having 31 average and is effective with bowling also, and he's not got any chance to bat recently, but once when he comes to bat he can give a good points with his huge sixes. Coming to Wayne Bravo, must pick in your team. He's bowling at right areas and picking wickets whenever he giving the ball. Having 15 matches and got 16 wickets against DC. Lord Thakur, Sadal Thakur, I'll call him a lot. A safe pick in your team and he can generate wickets and a partnership breaker. Hazelwood having 6 wickets and past matches he considered more runs, but you need to get some right lengths and areas and try in your Grand Leagues. Deepak Chahar 9 wickets and a safe pick if CSK balls first. Okay, these are the CSK playing 11 and DC has 2 at records. Coming to the important picks, Gaikwad, Faf, Moeen Ali, Iyer, Nortridge, and Pant. Try all of them. This is the Dream 11 small league team, temporary team. Have a safe pick, okay.